So welcome students. In this question, you're given that if ax square plus bx plus 6 is equal to 0 does not have two distinct real roots, then the least value of 3a plus b is equal to what? So what is this question based on? So if you take the first part, it looks like the first part tells you something about the discriminant of the equation. And next, you're asked to find the least value of the expression. So we are dealing with maximum and minimum values in the second part. So in the first part, you're given some information about the discriminant of the equation. In the second part, you're asked to find the minimum value of 3a plus b. So how do we do this? So let us take the first information. This equation does not have two distinct real roots. That means the discriminant is not greater than 0. The discriminant is not greater than 0. And this implies discriminant is less than or equal to 0. So what is the discriminant of this equation? B square minus 4ac is 24a is less than or equal to 0. So b square minus 24a is less than or equal to 0. Now you're asked to find the least value of 3a plus b. You're asked to find the least value of 3a plus b. That means 3a plus b is greater than which number? So you're asked to find some inequality like this. 3a plus b is always greater than or equal to something. So we try to bring some inequality which looks like this. Now, what is 3a plus b? So 3a plus b, right? So this is an expression containing two variables, two unknowns. Now let us try to convert this expression into a single unknown question. So from this expression, 24a is greater than or equal to b square. This implies 3a is greater than or equal to b square by 8. This implies 3a plus b is greater than or equal to b square by 8 plus b. So this 3a plus b is always greater than this expression b square by 8 plus b. So for different values of b, this is greater than or equal to this expression. So what is the least value of 3a plus b? The least value of 3a plus b occurs when b square by 8 plus b takes the least value. Because this is always greater than or equal to this, so when this becomes least, this becomes least. So what is the least value of b square by 8 plus b? So this is a quadratic in b. The least value is nothing but minus d by 4a, right? So what is the discriminant for this? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. This is a quadratic in b. So b will be the coefficient of b. So 1 square minus 4 times the constant term is 0. So 0 times 1 by 8, which is equal to 1. So the discriminant of this quadratic in b is equal to 1. So what is the least value of this? The least value is minus of 1 by 4 times 1 by 8. Because the coefficient of b square is 1 by 8. So this becomes 2. That is equal to minus 2. So the least value of this is minus 2. Hence the least value of 3a plus b is also equal to minus 2. So 3a plus b will always be greater than or equal to the least value of this, which is minus 2. For any other value of b, this will be greater than or equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is the answer to this question. Thank you.